Yo, 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 yo. This journey, this road that I travel on, it all seems crazy over the years.
الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Muhammad's character. Muslims have no drawings or pictures for Muhammad, for Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or the prophets before him. However, unlike the founders of the great faith traditions prior to his time, the Prophet Muhammad is more a recognizable historical figure, as his companions and family members described him very well and recorded many stories from his life for posterity. What did he look like? Muhammad was an Arab of noble lineage, with a white complexion and a rosy tinge. He was a little taller than average and well built with broad shoulders. His belly never protruded out from his chest. He walked briskly and firmly. Muhammad's companions described him as a handsome person with prominent forehead, high-tipped nose, long eyelashes, large black eyes with well-set teeth, and a pleasant smile. He had slightly curly hair and a thick beard. His companions indicated that he had a friendly, bright face that looked like a full moon. He did not laugh loudly. His laugh was mostly a smile that would show his teeth and a bit of hailstones. His cheerfulness and open personality were felt by all people. His nature. Muhammad was unfailingly cheerful, easygoing by nature and mild-mannered. He never resorted to offensive speech or obscenities. He did not find fault with others, nor did he overly praise the others. The way he spoke, Muhammad did not speak unnecessarily, and what he said was always on the point and without any padding. His sayings were precise and concise, having complete meaning in few words. He spoke with excellence, and there was no excess in it, and no abnormal brevity. When he emphasized a point, he used to repeat it 3 times with a gesture. He spoke of nothing unless he hoped a reward from God for it. He told his companions, "I am a gardener for a house and the outskirts of a paradise, for those who quit arguing even if they were right, and I am a gardener for a house in the middle of the paradise for those who quit lying even if they were kidding. And I am a gardener for a person in the highest part in the paradise for those who behave with good manners." Sahih Abu Dawud. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.
وأصل الجود من ذا المنبع، أصل الجود من ذا المنبع، يا رب